Hey everyone, and thank you for coming back to the iCorrect channel. I wanted to talk to you today about an issue that we have experienced with the new MacBook Pros and MacBook Airs. The screens are paired at factory by Apple to the logic board. This level of serialization has been increasing, and we've seen this go from the iPhone to the iPad and now in the MacBooks. We now have to transfer over the paired microchips from the old screen to the new screen to confirm perfect functionality. Now, this is just making repair harder and harder. It means that less and less of us are able to repair at this level. Over the next 5 years, 10 years, we're going to see more and more repair shops close down because this level of complexity is just too much for most techs. But from a consumer's point of view, you now have limited options if you have one of the newer MacBook Pros or MacBook Airs of where you can get it repaired. You now have to choose between an Apple store or a microelectronics specialist. Apple have their own internal calibration tool. So if they fit a part, they see the same issue, but they just click a button and recalibrates it all back to normal. On the newest MacBooks, if you don't transfer over the microchips, you'll lose slight functions of the screen. It kind of has this weird bar at the top. And when you log into your MacBook, the shadowing from the screen through the backlight makes the MacBook really unusable. I understand that the fight isn't with us as consumers or with the repair techs. I understand that the fight is against cheap aftermarket parts that are being released by China. But we're getting caught right in the middle of this fight. I appreciate you watching my video today and look forward to releasing more news about Apple's newest serialization. Please like, follow, and comment. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.